kindergarten. Today you are going to be working with some of the colors that you just learned about. You're going to be working with primary colors and secondary colors, warm and cool colors, basically the colors of the rainbow. So we're going to be making an ice cream cone. It is still a little warm outside, and I love ice cream, and I know most of you probably like ice cream too. We are going to be making a rainbow ice cream cone. So to start off with, you're going to get a long sheet of paper, just like this. It's kind of hard to see it in the video, but you can see the example up on the board. At the very bottom of our paper, you can see this is the bottom of my paper. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write my name on my paper. Okay, and then the very first letter of your teacher's name. So if your teacher's name starts with an S, if you could write the letter S and a circle around it, that would be great. Some of you may not know yet, and so I would be more than happy to come around and help you. Once you write your name on your paper, you're going to flip your paper over. I will just give you a few moments to do that. Okay, now that you have written your name on your paper and you have put in your teacher's first initial on your paper with a circle around it, next we are going to make an upside down triangle. And to do that, you're going to take your pencil and you are going to draw a line at a diagonal, another line at a diagonal going back up, and then you're going to connect those lines. So you have a triangle, upside down triangle. This is going to be your cone that is going to hold your ice cream. Once you have drawn your triangle, we need 6 scoops of ice cream. 6 whole scoops of ice cream, because we need a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, or purple. So to do that, your first scoop of ice cream, you're going to start at the bottom, and you're just going to kind of do this, and then make kind of an arch. And there's your first scoop. And then your second scoop, you're just going to go to the top of that first scoop. And I'd like you to make these sort of big, but not too big that you're going to run out of room. I also don't want you making them really tiny. We want big scoops of ice cream. We like ice cream, so we want them to be big scoops of ice cream. Here's my third. And my fourth. And my fifth. And my 6th scoop of ice cream. Once you have all 6 scoops of ice cream, I would like you to go back and label. This is where we're going to learn to use some handwriting. An R for red, an O for orange, a Y for yellow, a G for green, a B for blue, and a P for purple. That way you know what color goes in which ice cream scoop. Next, you are going to get a Sharpie, or we might use colored markers. I'm going to use Sharpie, and you are going to trace all of your lines with a black Sharpie. So while I'm doing this, you can be tracing with your Sharpie as well. Do not trace the letters that are on your ice cream scoop, so leave those just in pencil and just trace your pencil lines. And if it's not perfect, that's okay, because we are going to go back and we can use an eraser. But we are also going to be doing some painting in the background. And it's okay to take your time on this, making sure that you're getting all of your lines traced. Then we will go back after we're done with that, and you will get to color. As you can see, I have my crayons here. We are going to be using crayons. My ice cream cone is going to be brown, so I'm going to color that in brown. Just like so. And I want you to take your time doing your coloring, making sure you're coloring in all the white space. If you want, you can see in my example that I have added some lines to my ice cream cone to make it look like the waffle cone. You can do that as well. And then next, we are going to do this in order, following along with me. You are going to do your very first ice cream scoop red. So I'm not gonna color it all in. You guys can see how I'm doing this. Then you're gonna color in red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Once we get finished with that, then next week when you come back, we are going to be doing some painting. You are going to get to learn how to paint the background of your ice cream scoops. Thank you for watching my video.